All right, gang, so welcome to part 2 to the Wall Street Jack Boys Pro ThinkorSwim Configuration here. And this next lesson, we're going to go over the trade tab. I'm going to show you guys how to get that set up. Now, if you're taking a look at the menu at the top, we do have the monitor tab, we have the trade tab, we have the analyze tab, we have the scan, we have the market watch, charts, tools and education and help. You're actually probably not going to actually use those, not at all, actually. But what's important is the trade tab for options. I'm going to actually get you guys acquainted with this here quickly and show you how to get this custom arrangement. All right, so you're probably not going to see anything in this platform until you type in a ticker. So type in Apple, which is AAPL, and that's going to be the stock ticker for Apple, okay? In this tab here, you can go under recent, your positions if you're holding, other things that you want to look at. You can just quickly go here and just type it in there also. So. But I like to just normally when I'm working on my flow, I come in here, I just hit that button, I type in the ticket that I'm looking at, just like that. Now this button right here is the link tab. This is actually when we actually go to the charts tab, it links the trade tab to the charts that we're looking at. If you assign it to one of these codes, so I like to have that starting at red 1. Okay, so that's going to come in handy here in a few throughout the course. So this also tells you the name of the company that you actually typed in the symbol for right here. And then you'll see the price of that company, the exchange, and all the other good information there. All right. But as you can see, this is actually chained to the all products tab and to the trade tab. Now, Forex trader, futures trader, active trader, pairs trader, you're not going to actually need those. So don't even worry about those. And under here, we have the underlying, which is the stock. So again, this is for options. The underlying is the stock itself. So you got some stock information that's right here, and you can actually buy and sell the stocks from right here as well, which is pretty cool. You just click on that and it takes you to a dialog that opens up if you want to buy the stock. So you can do that from there. You can also do it from the trade grid. Do the same thing, type in the stock ticker, and there you have that information right there. You can also buy and sell from here. You can go sell and buy stocks from right here. We will not be doing that, but those are options that are available for you. So next tab here will be the options chain. So the options chain, you won't see this until you put a ticker in there. So now we got that Apple ticker in there. We do see the options chain. This is what I want you to configure right now. I want you to go to the layout tab. And under layout tab, I want you to go to customize. Under customize, what we actually want to include in here would, let's actually take these out. So we'll take these out. You can leave last in there though. That's fine. So what we actually want to put in here is the delta. So we'll put delta that's in there. And then I want you to put in mark. So you can just click it and then you hit add items and it sends it over to the left. Then I want you to click in probability out of the money. And then I also want you to make sure that we have open interest. I type in open, just short letters, and it pre-fills for me, open interest. And then also volume. You click on that volume there. All right. And once you get all of these in there, you can actually arrange these to your likings. What I would probably do here is take that delta, and you can click and drag it, or you can click move up or down there. Okay. And from there, I like to have that out of the money next to the delta. And then for the open interest, the volume, and then the last traded price, and then the mark price there. And then click OK. All right. So then once you open up one of these series, you'll see all of those listed here at the top. Okay. You see them all listed right there on both sides of the option chain. So that's how you're going to configure the trade tab in the ThinkorSwim here. That's pretty much what we just want to configure for right now. We will explore all of this information more in depth throughout the rest of the course. But that's it for part 2. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.